Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a gift that I received from a company, and this will be an unboxing. This is not a sponsored video. It is a gift that I received from this company. I will be placing this gift in my bedroom. You are seeing a few pictures that I took of my bedroom when I started setting it back up. I had not been in my bedroom, I would say since 2019 or 2020. I just started sleeping back in my bedroom in 2022. I'll later share that story in another video. I do have a video showing what it looked like prior to what this picture here. But I did share a video of my room makeover, and it had different bedding on it. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I have a video that I'll be uploading in about a week where it has new bedding. This is the bedding that was on it when I shared my very first bedroom makeover with you all about 3 weeks ago. And I got the new bedding to match the gift that was given to me by this company. So if you're interested in seeing what this gift is, then just keep watching. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. So I'm excited because I received my Ruggable from Ruggable.com. They so graciously gifted me this rug. I am going to be using this in my bedroom when I shared my bedroom makeover. And here's a video clip of my room makeover when I uploaded it in December and shared it with you all. This is a room in my home that I've never shared before, that I stated that I wanted to start sharing with different makeovers, seasonal makeovers, different decorate with me's. So let's get back to the unboxing. I think about a month ago, I showed you all where my carpet has creases in it, and it's from moving furniture around so much. It's a 9 by 12, which is very large to lay down on my bedroom floor. I'll just open it up in its arm and carry it upstairs. I'll lay it out and let you all see it. But I want to first empty all the furniture out of my room. So let me take this upstairs and then lay it out. Okay, so I decided just to open it here. Just do an unboxing. Is what I meant to say. Colors in it, they're neutral. I will break this box down here. Okay, I can kind of bring you close so you can kind of see the pattern. And they have the what do you call it, the part that goes under the mat. But I can bring you close so you can kind of see the pattern. It's the hazel. I'll put the picture of it across the screen and the name of it. Hold on. Okay, so this is the pattern, but again, this is just the wrong side of the rug. And I wanted to get something that was neutral, like this here. I have to say, I didn't know that this dark color and this color was going to be in it, but that's fine. I can make it work. Because my carpet is already beige all the way through, so this blends good with it. And I can make anything match with it. If I put bright colors or something in my room and this doesn't match, I'll just pull this up. I plan to order me some more rugs from them. What I like about this is the machine washable one. Now, I don't know if I will put this one in my machine because I don't think my machine is big enough to handle this. But I do have, there is a dry cleaning company that comes by every week to pick up clothes or linen to do it. So for something like this, I would get it washed maybe twice a year for the spring and summer, and then for the fall and winter. Because it's just me living in the house, I don't know that that would be required. Maybe once a year is good enough. So I'm going to go ahead and take this upstairs, and then once it's laid out in the room, I will bring you all on to see. So here I'm just going to vacuum my room real quick. I've already shampooed it. I shampooed it the week before Christmas, which was last month. Today, the editing of this video is Wednesday, January 25th, 2023. So I'm just going through with my cordless vacuum to just kind of just fluff up the fibers, even though I know they're going to be pressed down with the carpet when I put the carpet down, but I just wanted to freshen up everything. So that's all that I'm doing here, and then I'm going to explain how I'm going to lay out the carpet first to get the look of what I want, then lay out the underlayment. Okay, I got my carpet all vacuumed, and now to bring in the rug to cover up all these creases in here. So let me get the rug and bring it in here. Okay, I'm gonna lay out the rug, and then I'll let you see the pattern. Those two black things are the pads that go up under. Even though I have carpet, I'm still gonna lay the pads under there. And it's the perfect width, because it's covering up all these creases. Okay, here it is laid out before I put the padding down, and I love it. So this is doing exactly what I wanted to do, and it's giving me that vibe. I love the colors that's in here. That my gray will go with this. My linen, let me go on the other side so you can see my curtains blends with this so well. And I'm so glad that they gifted this to me. And even my bench. Again, that wall's gonna stay like that just for now, but I do have plans for it. But I'm loving the vibe that this is giving me. And this is setting up for my winter styling decor, which will stay for January and February. And then when March gets in, I'll be changing the colors out. This rug will probably more likely stay. If not, I'll take it out and get something else if I'm able to at the time. And those curtains are going to stay up until I purchase more. Those curtains are perfect. But my idea to bring more pop of color is just to put a color on that side and then just a color panel on that side. But I'm just loving what this is doing to my room. Here's a closer look at the pattern. It has that medallion in the middle. I absolutely love this. Go ahead and get this rolled up so that I can lay these paddings down, and then I'll bring you back. And I do need the paddings. I didn't think I would. I said I was just going to do it anyway, but I noticed when I walked on these, it started moving. So this here is to keep it stable, regardless, I guess, being on a hard rug or even a low pile carpet. Now, the Ruggable rugs are stylish area rugs which are machine washable. They are hypoallergenic and non-toxic. They're perfect for kids and pets, and they come in many styles and sizes. They state they even fit in a standard size washing machine and dryer, even the size that I have, which is a 9x12. I'm not going to take that chance. I'm going to send mine out to be washed at least once a year. And they come with a non-slip pad, which is kind of like a big piece of Velcro. So I want to thank Ruggable for sending this out to me, and I will leave the link to their website in my description box below. Now let's get back to the completing of this video. Okay, so I laid the padding down, and this is the rough side, and I understand why it's good to have it, because once this backing touch that, it's not hard to get up, but you need to maneuver it. It says on the card, which I have here, it says to leave, attach the rug cover to the rug pad, starting from the shorter edge and leaving about 2 inches of overhang on each side. So what I am understanding, you hear how it sticks to it. So I'm using this as my guide all the way down to make sure it's even to stick. And then I'm rubbing it or attaching it. You hear that? And it adheres really well to it. Look at that. You saw how the pad came up with it? Well, you didn't see it, but it's Velcro. That's what it is. It's like Velcro. So lining it up, you see where this buckling is? That's because it's attached. So I need to lift it up and rub it smooth. And this is going to take time because this is a big rug. So I'm going to go ahead and roll it out. And then you've already saw what it looks like laid out. I'm going to roll it out. Sorry, tongue-tied here. And then put the bed that I took out of the guest room, which is a gray linen, which I showed you a clip of the video when I was putting it together, when I had put it together 2 years ago. That's what I'm going to bring in here because it goes better with this rug, and it goes better with the color scheme and with the winter look that I'm going for. Not so much just the winter look, but because my curtains are linen and the bed headboard and footboard is a linen, and then because of the style of this rug. So I'm going to put it all together because this is going to take me a while. And to see the completed room makeover featuring this rug, watch my 2023 Winter Bedroom Refresh Makeover and Ruggable. Again, I want to thank you for gifting this to me. I will leave their website link in my description box below. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone.